স্পেসওয়ার্ক টু কন্টিনিউ ইনস্টলিং নিউ সোলার অ্যারেজ। কীভাবে নতুন সোলার প্যানেল স্পেসওয়ার্কে কাজ করছে তার ভিডিও একটু দিলাম আপনাদের, কিন্তু যদি আপনি সমস্ত ভিডিওটা দেখতে চান তাহলে নাসা লাইভে গিয়ে দেখতে পারেন।
At the end of their 6-hour and 28-minute spacewalk, the duo had successfully completed the solar array installation and deployment for the first IROSA. The array measures 60 feet long and 15 feet wide and will generate 20 kilowatts of power on the 2B power channels. 5 days later brought Kimbrough and Paquet back out to the far-reaching P6 truss to work on the installation of the second new solar array. These two new solar arrays arrived recently on SpaceX's 22nd cargo vehicle and are the first of 6 planned arrays. When the 6 new solar arrays are installed, they will provide up to 120 kilowatts of augmented power during orbital daytime to the space station, ensuring continued habitability and science utilization.
9 days in support of the deployment and unfolding and unfurling of the first 2 ISS rollout solar arrays.
JAXA astronaut Aki Hoshide removed a sample tray from the sample chamber of the Lyophilization 2 experiment, currently in the microgravity science glove box. Lyophilization, or freeze drying, is a
for the long-term ISS solar array wings for the 8 power channels on the
station. On my red reel, I have Shane's yellow hook, closed, locked, black home block. Goes to his red reel that I see unlocked, and Shane can pick it up from there because I don't really see it after that. I have my right waist tether on the airlock waist tether, and I see 1, 2, 3, 4 hooks are locked. That's good and big, and then my left safety tether, red, I see it, yeah. Red hook is on my left E-ring extender, closed and locked. Thank you.
Okay, I see that as a safe config. If the ground wants to double check something, they can give us a call. I'm going to progress. So when the crew lock, the PDT is approximately 0, you both can expect an alert tone.
Copy.
And when we get to a half PSI on the PCS here, I'll call the ground to confirm that they agree that we've gotten to less than half PSI, and then we'll give you the next steps.
Good luck.
Ground copies and concurs, and that's a good type of config.
Hi Jenny and hi to you guys.
The pressure inside the crew lock across the hatch from where you're looking right now, where Mark Vande Hei is. The 2 spacewalkers are jammed inside the crew lock, side by side, standing by for the crew lock to go down to vacuum, at which point they'll be allowed to open the hatch. First, the outer thermal cover will pop open. Following that, the hatch will be open. Crew members will place their suits on internal battery power to mark the official start of today's spacewalk.